What animal am I? Can you guess? See how many you get right. I am known for my humps and can survive in deserts. What am I? A camel. I have a long neck and legs, and I can run very fast. What am I? A giraffe. I have black and white stripes and I live in Africa. What am I? A zebra. I'm known as the king of the jungle and I have a magnificent mane. What am I? A lion. I hang upside down from trees and eat insects. What am I? A bat. I'm a marine mammal known for my playful behavior and large dorsal fin. What am I? A dolphin. I'm a bird that can imitate human speech and have vibrant feathers. What am I? A parrot. I'm a large marine animal with a horn-like tusk and I live in the Arctic. What am I? A narwhal. I have a leathery shell and live in the ocean. What am I? A sea turtle. I'm a black and white bear that primarily eats bamboo. What am I? A panda. I'm a small, nocturnal mammal known for rolling into a protective ball. What am I? A hedgehog. I have a long, sticky tongue and I eat ants and termites. What am I? An anteater. I'm a marsupial from Australia with a pouch to carry my young. What am I? A kangaroo. I'm a bird of prey known for my exceptional eyesight and sharp talons. What am I? An eagle. I'm a reptile that changes color to blend with my surroundings. What am I? A chameleon. I'm a large, herbivorous land animal with a horn on my nose. What am I? A rhinoceros. I'm a small rodent with a bushy tail and I love to gather nuts. What am I? A squirrel. I'm a marine animal with 8 long arms and a soft body. What am I? An octopus. I'm a large, aquatic mammal and the largest animal on Earth. What am I? A blue whale. I'm a social insect that lives in large colonies and builds complex nests. What am I? An ant. I'm a small, carnivorous mammal with a pointed snout and sharp teeth. What am I? A weasel. I'm a small, striped animal that sprays a foul-smelling liquid for defense. What am I? A skunk. I'm a large, long-necked water bird known for my distinctive honk. What am I? A goose. I'm a bird that's known for my black and white feathers and my ability to swim underwater. What am I? A penguin. I'm a carnivorous reptile that can be found in both saltwater and freshwater habitats. What am I? A crocodile. I'm a small, colorful bird known for my aerial acrobatics and long-tail feathers. What am I? A swallow. I'm a large, tusked mammal that lives in cold Arctic waters and feeds on marine plants. What am I? A walrus. I'm a large, gentle herbivore with a single horn on my nose and a humped back. What am I? A bison. I'm a large, long-necked reptile with a crest of spines along my back. What am I? An iguana. I'm a colorful bird known for my long, curved beak and my love for nectar. What am I? A hummingbird. I'm a marine animal with a hard shell and powerful pincers, often found on rocky shores. What am I? A crab. I'm a social insect that lives in highly organized colonies with a queen and worker bees. What am I? A bee. I'm a large, herbivorous land animal with a trunk and distinctive ivory tusks. What am I? An elephant. I'm a bird that can imitate the sounds of other animals and even machines. What am I? A mockingbird. I'm a colorful insect that goes through a transformation from caterpillar to adult. What am I? A butterfly. I'm a small, burrowing mammal with a pointed snout and sharp claws. What am I? A mole. I'm a furry animal with a fluffy tail that stores food in my cheek pouches. What am I? A hamster. I'm a bird with a long, curved beak that I use to catch fish from the water. What am I? A pelican. I'm a mammal with a long neck and legs, and I'm known for my ability to run fast. What am I? An ostrich. I'm a striped big cat and I'm known for my strength and roar. What am I? A tiger. How many did you get right? Comment below.